put this under mode. You can put this all on one page though. Mean, median, and the one that doesn't start with the noun is range. These all get clumped together because the book calls these measures of central tendencies. And something's wrong with my central tendencies. How do you spell tendencies? I'm going to look this up. Spelling, I guess it doesn't tell me what it is. Tendencies. These are the measures of central tendencies. And it only happens, these are ways to organize and report data. You have to have some sort of data. You usually get a whole slew of numbers. For example, let's say on the last quiz, we'll do easy ones. Let's say on the last quiz, I'll just pick 10 grades. We had somebody got an 80, a 70, a couple 90s, another 80, another 90, a 60, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's do 11. A 100, a 70, and another 90. How many is that? 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go with 10. Unfortunately, when you look at that data, it's all just kind of in one big clump, and you really couldn't tell me much about that, could you? I mean, I guess you could tell me the low, maybe the high. How did people do? I don't know. With measures of central tendencies, you kind of organize it a little bit and figure out what's going on here. The first thing you want to do is you want to order them from least to greatest. Order from least to greatest. So in other words, what do we have? We have 160. We have what? How many 70s? 2 70s. How many 80s? 2 80s. 2 80s. 1, 2, 3, 4 90s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 100. We've done these before, I know, so you're just somewhat quiet because. Let's look at what each one of these things is now. What is the mode, ladies and gentlemen? When you see the word mode, it is, the first 2 letters should be the giveaway. Mode, Logan is the, nope, that's median. Mode is Kaylee? Yeah, it's a number that happens the most. Okay, so if you look at this group of number, what number occurs the most? And this one would be the number 90. Okay. If no number repeats, then it doesn't have a mode. If 2 numbers tie, it's called bimodal, and they both would be modes or whatever. But for right now, let's just go with this. Now, let's do the median. And Logan said the median is the middle. So what you have to do with this, children, first of all, when you look for the middle, you always would like an odd number of numbers because there's an exact middle with odd number of numbers. This has 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is no exact middle of 10, which doesn't make sense to you because you go, yes, 5 is the middle of 10. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, here is the middle of those numbers. There are 5 numbers on this side and 5 numbers on this side. There is no exact number in the middle. If there was 11, if there would have been another 100 here, this 90 would have been the exact middle because there would have been 5 numbers on each side of it. But with an even number, it means you got to do a little bit more work. You pick the 2 numbers that make up the middle, which is the 80 and the 90, and you have to find their average, which should be easy for you. What's the average of 80 and 90, anybody? Ryan? 85. So in this case, the median is an 85. Like I said, if it was an odd number, it would be really easy because there is a number that falls exactly in the middle of odd number. And then the mean, children, and it sounds kind of mean, but it's not. What is the mean? Andrew?
The average.
Yeah, it's the same as average. We should be able to find the average of this pretty quickly, shouldn't we? Oh, what's this? 130, 200, 280, 360, 450, 540, 630, 720, 820. The average should be 82. If I did that right, did I do it right? Nobody's going to question that. 13, 20, 28, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 82. And then the last one is the home on the range. Anybody what the range is? Make you nervous? Yeah, it's the difference of the highest and the lowest numbers. It's the range of numbers, in which case this would be 100 for the high minus 60 for the low. You end up with a range of 40. Questions on the range measures of central tendency? I think that's, we've done it before, correct? We did that last. This was our review for you. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? Oh, kids. Now take out one more blank piece of paper just because it comes up here. I'm sorry.